what you working with.
Hello, fellow humans. What is physics? What is b-boying? Physics is the study of the physical world. B-boying is a form of dance inspired by hip-hop, which consists of
boom, 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 boom. Bitty, bitty, boom. Woo! Zippy doo, zippy doo, da. Huh. Boom, bang, boom, bang, bang. Boom, bang, boom, bang, bang. Make my body sing. Do your thing, do your thing. Do your thing.
the backspin. A move in b-boying which starts off with the whipping of the legs on your upper back, which causes you to rotate in the circular motion. There are three forces acting on someone who's in the backspin: centrifugal force, centripetal force, and the force of friction. The whipping of the legs is a type of centripetal force that allows circular motion because the legs work as an inward force that gives the person the speed to spin for as long as possible. In the state of backspin, we feel the effect of the centrifugal force. While our bodies are rotating, our head and upper body feel the outward pull because inertia causes the body to want to keep moving in a straight path, which is why we feel that pull. One key force that is constantly acting on the body while in the backspin is the force of friction, and thus one slows down immediately after entering the backspin. The next move, the head hollow. The head hollow is a type of headstand, but not just your average headstand. The head hollow is a headstand with your lower back and your legs bending towards the ground. While in the head hollow, there are three types of forces in play: the force of gravity, normal force, and the force of friction. The force of gravity pushes one's body downwards, and this eases the transition from the headstand to the head hollow. Because naturally your body will want to go down, however, to stay up and not fall down, one must apply a force to the ground. To apply this force, we use our arms. Normal force is the force that pushes up on any object that is on a level surface due to Newton's third law. Now, as we push down, a normal force equal to the force we push down with will push us up, and this will balance out the net force in the system, which in this case is the head hollow. Another source of normal force is where the head touches the ground. Thanks to the normal force, we are able to stay up and not crush ourselves in the force of gravity. Friction also plays a huge role in this freeze. When one is in this freeze, your head acts as a balancing tool, but friction also plays a role in not letting your head slide forward or backwards. Since friction is a force that opposes motion, it opposes the motion of your head. The air swipe. The air swipe is a complicated power move which starts off with the placement of one's hands on the ground and the rotation of one's body while one constantly scissor kicks his or her legs. The two main concepts that apply to this move are the force of friction and Newton's third law, which states that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction.
On my waist, through my hair. Think about it when you touch me there. Close my eyes, here you are, all alone, dancing in the dark. Tell me, baby, if it's wrong to let my hands do what they want. Late at night,
At the beginning of the move, as our hand pushes the ground pushes our hand up with the same amount of force, and this helps in giving us the lift to gain air. The foot also experiences the same effect. While in the air, there is another action-reaction pair that causes the motion of the air swipe to be easier. In the air, the force of gravity of both one's body and the earth pull each other. When the earth's force of gravity pulls us down, our body comes down to meet the ground, and the motion is repeated. Again, the force of friction plays a role while doing this power move, because friction helps us not to slide off into different directions.
In the process of doing the air swipe, we discovered that the glasses gained centripetal acceleration and flew off on a tangent of a circle.
What you working with?